Hi, welcome to the Mediasite booth at ISE 2020. My name is Darren Aspinall. I'm the sales manager for the UK, Ireland and the Nordic regions. We're in Hall 11 today, where the Mediasite booth is, showcasing our latest product release called Mediasite Join. Mediasite Join is a new solution on the market, whereas Mediasite can record and stream video conferences. We are fully interoperable with most of the major codec manufacturers out there. We also still offer it as an appliance, so government agencies and people who want a closed network but still be able to capture recording on a webcast or on a video conferencing still can do that in a secure manner. And we can also have it in the cloud as well for secure streaming and recording of those cloud type video conferences. Please come and visit our website, which is at www.mediasite.com. And thank you very much for your time.